how to expand your C drive without any tools. For this, you want to type in disk management in search and click on the create and format partitions. So here you can see I only have one disk on which I have C drive and D drive. So admittedly, I have taken away 2.93 GB from D drive to put into my C drive. To do that, I have just right clicked on D and then clicked on shrink volume. Now shrink volume here I put in as 3000 MB, which is 2.93 GB, and click on shrink, which gives us this unallocated drive. So now that we've taken away almost 3 GB from D drive, we want to put it into C drive. Now this is only possible if you are using one SSD. So if I have any other SSD and I say that, hey, I want to take that storage and put it into my C drive, which is on an entirely other SSD, that is not possible. So here you want to right click and then click on extend volume. You can hit on next, and here you can see we have about 3000 MB that is available. Then we can click on next and then finish. And here you can see our C drive has gone from 170 GB to about 173 GB. So about 3 GB. So that is how you expand your C drive. So we just took away 3 GB from D and put it into C. Again, this is available only on the same drive that you are using for the C drive. If it is any other drive, the SATA and SSD, it doesn't matter, you can't do this. So that is how you do it. Hopefully this video has been helpful. Do drop a like, share and subscribe if it has been. See you in the next video.